everyone, and how are you doing? So very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you how to treat your skin from the inside to achieve a very clear skin, boost your metabolism and lose bad fats in your system, causing you gain weight and belly fat. Yeah, so this is the 2-in-1 juice and smoothie, very easy and quick to make, with ingredients in your kitchen to boost your metabolism, to burn out bad fats in your system, clear up your skin, freshen up your skin pores, boost your immunity and leave your skin looking very beautiful and healthy. So in order to come up with this recipe, I'll be using a lot of vitamin C citrus fruits here. So I'll be using 3 different kinds of citrus fruits, vitamin C fruits, which are a form of antioxidants to freshen up the skin, boost metabolism, help to clear the skin from the inside, because antioxidants help to clear up your skin, most especially if you've exposed to sun damage, environmental damage. This helps to treat and heal your skin from the inside, so you end up with a very clear, fresh and beautiful skin. Plus it boosts your metabolism, so you easily break down fats, break down food store up. That way you burn fats easily without storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus strong immunity, because vitamin C, all these citrus fruits, they help to boost your immunity. Vitamin C, you can get them from these fruits. So this is very powerful, kind of a 3-in-1 juice and smoothie I'll be coming up with. So you don't need a lot of ingredients, just these same ingredients will give you the smoothie and the juice. So you just want to watch till the end. And I'll be using 1 pineapple here. Yes, when you're doing a cleanse, you need something with a lot of fiber that is filling, and pineapples are very filling. So I'll be keeping the peel of my pineapples. I don't throw them for my cleansing teas and juices. Like, if you've been watching my videos, you know I share recipes with pineapple peel for cleansing. So this is my 1 pineapple. You just want to slice up into some sizes that you can easily blend. This is it. Pineapples are very good as they are loaded with vitamin C plus bromelain to help break down fats in your system, help you boost your metabolism, load up your system with vitamin C to clear up your skin from the inside for a very clear, fresh and beautiful skin tone, good health, stronger immunity, fresh looking skin. Plus this cleanses you up and you smell so fresh. Yeah, so this is 1 pineapple sliced up into some good sizes and set aside. And this is the second ingredient. I'll be adding in some ginger. You can't do cleansing without adding some ginger to help with the cleansing, to boost metabolism, heat up your system to burn fats, heat up your system to break down hardened food stored up, causing toxins load up in your system. That way your system cleanses up and you stay very healthy with a very healthy body size without all the fats, and your skin cleanses from the inside. And that is how you end up with clear, beautiful skin, because there are no more toxins in your system. So this is it. A thumb size of ginger will be fine, and you set aside. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be apple. Yes, an apple a day. We all know the benefits, because they are loaded with different kinds of vitamins and minerals to heal, treat your skin, nourish, repair your skin. Like, so many benefits. If you want beautiful skin, good health, you want to always add in some apples in your juices or smoothies. So this is 1 apple washed and set aside. So basically these are the ingredients, and I'll show you how I'll come up with the smoothie and the juice out of this. So nothing added. So you just want to put the ginger, apple and pineapple and add in 5 cups of water. So you add in 5 cups of water in there, and you blend till you. So I started with 2 cups of water, and when I finish blending, I'll add 2 more cups of water. So I'll add 3 more cups of water to make 5 cups of water in there. So because if you put all the 5 cups at once, it will spill out. So you want to blend with 2 and add 3 cups later. So this is it. You use your sieve to get the juice out of this, and when you blend so well, everything is so smooth. You don't need to throw the fiber. So you see, it looks so smooth. It is well blended. That is really so smooth and so rich. It's just like you blended your smoothie. So this is what you want to do. Squeeze out the juice from there. And make sure you wash your ingredients thoroughly, so you don't like put in dirt in your system. Wash your ingredients thoroughly, so you know you're eating everything. So your ingredients needs to be cleaned thoroughly. So that is it. That is the fiber, the pulp. As you can see, it's already smoothie. I thought of adding maybe something like papaya in there or banana, but there is no need because it is already really rich, and really the consistency is really thick and heavy. So that is it. So this is the juice from the citrus fruits I'm adding now. This is when you want to add and mix everything well together and pour in your bottle. This is for clear skin, boost your metabolism to burn fats, freshen up your skin pores, boost your immune system. Like, this is very healthy to leave your skin looking so fresh and healthy. So what you want to do is to serve up. If it is winter time, you can drink it without the ice cubes. It is still hot here, so I go for my ice cubes a lot just to have it refreshing in the mouth. And yeah, so you just have it as your juice. Have a day like this to just have this to treat your skin with. Like, the smoothie is very filling. It will keep you so full. You will not feel like you're hungry to really eat something. Like, if you have to eat something, just eat like light pepper soup and just have this to treat your skin with on that day. Yeah, so this is the smoothie, very filling. Someone like me, I can have just this a day with my juice and I will not feel like really hungry. Like, you give yourself time to treat, you give your skin some time to treat itself. This is very healing, very nutrient dense to treat your skin. Plus, you want to drink enough water while doing this. Drink enough fresh, clean water. Water is very good for cleansing as well. Water will help you have a very clear, fresh skin because it helps with the flush out of toxins as well. This is the cheapest cleanse you can find in your house. Water helps to boost digestion. That way you easily break down food, so nothing store up causing belly fat, weight gain. Like, water is very cleansing, leaves your skin looking so fresh, healthy and beautiful. So do this alongside drinking enough water, and trust me, you will end up with a very clear, beautiful, fresh looking skin. You will age and still look so youthful and beautiful, plus with a healthy body size. No chunky belly like I used to have before. That chunky big belly. Having a day like this to treat your skin will prevent situations like that because it cleanses you out, helps you burn fats. You don't have room to culture all the toxins or waste stored up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope and I know for sure someone has picked one or two of the tips today. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.